So if you want to subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button around this area somewhere and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a video, and hit the like button if you like today's video. Let's get into the video. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So for today's video, I thought it would be really cool to do my weekend morning and nighttime routine. So we're first going to start with my nighttime routine. So I have literally everything set on my table of what I used. I'm just going to kind of like walk you guys through my routines. So let's dive in. On a clip here, I will show you the on my table because it's like it's insane. I have so much right now. It's crazy. And even there's my makeup bag on a chair too. So the first thing I actually like to do is I like to kind of take out the hair that I'm wearing, or the hairstyle that I'm wearing that day. So I happen to be wearing like a hairstyle that involves like little clear elastics. So I have these clear elastic thing that I just put them in, store them. So I have that. Then just to get the hair out of my face so I can wash my face and take off the makeup, I put my scrunchie in. This is one of my favorite scrunchies that I always use. Yeah, I put my hair up in just like a messy bun. So there are days where I don't usually wash my face, but the days that I do wash my face, I recently got this Lancome Bi-facial eye makeup remover, and I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorites. I've been using that. So I take 2 cotton pads and I kind of put the eye makeup remover on, and I just kind of set it on my eyes for a little bit, maybe like 5 to 6 seconds once I feel like all of the product is breaking down, and then I start rubbing it in and taking off the eye makeup. And I only do the eye makeup and pretty much my eyebrows. Everything else makeup remover cleanser, and this too. In the clip, I actually went with my Youth of the People kale plus green tea spinach vitamins. This is a superfood cleanser. This is my favorite one of all time. I really like that it's glass too. It's really nice. And all of these products will be in the description, and maybe I'll find links to them. I don't know. But okay, so when it comes to like applying all of my makeup products, skincare products, I use brushes. So this is from Anissa Beauty. This is the cleansing brush. I actually do need to clean these, so I'm actually going to keep these out. But yeah, I use that for the cleanser. When it comes to actually just the Youth of the People cleanser, I like to kind of let it sit on my skin for a little bit, and that's different from my morning routine. I don't let it sit on the skin. For the night routine, I do let it sit. This next thing is my Fresh Sugar face polish. This is an exfoliator. I really, really like it. The smell is actually really nice. I like it. The thing is, it says to leave it on for, I think, let's see. Where is it? 5 to 10 minutes, but I don't really do that. And I do use a brush to apply it. I didn't do it in the clip, but I don't have like one of those steaming things, so I actually boil some water from my not teapot, but like, I guess you could say like a teapot thing. And I just hold it, I just put it in a bowl and I put my face over it for about 5 minutes, I think. And it's really nice. I kind of like to turn my face in the steam just so I can really get it all, saturated, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so after I do the steaming, I like to apply a mask. Now, I was feeling kind of rushed when I was finding my face mask, so I didn't really look at the ingredients. I didn't see what this one is for, so I ended up getting this one. This is the Freeman French Pink Clay Peel-Off Masks. I find that I do not like peel-off masks, but I still have maybe 3 days left of this because it says, where does it say? Up to, I like to start getting my bath ready, so I would either put in Epsom salts or a bubble bath. Wow, I couldn't think of that. Or sometimes, I don't know if it's a thing, I like to put essential oil in. I don't know, it's weird, but whatever. Yeah, so I do that, and then once I get in the bath, I am not going to show a bath clip, but I am going to show you guys my hair stuff that I use. So for shampoo and conditioner, I use the Aveeno Fresh Greens blend. This is Refresh and Thicken is the shampoo, and then, I guess it's both Refresh and Thicken shampoo and conditioner. And then only on the weekends, I use this. This is the Native Almond and Shea Butter Strengthening Hair Mask. I absolutely love this hair mask. I used to use the one from Trader Joe's. I forgot what it's called, but I'll link it down below. But I like this one way better than the other one. Okay, so once I'm out of the bath, it's the perfect time to start plucking my eyebrows. So I usually only pluck around here when I get out of the bath, but if I do see any strays of my eyebrows, like in this area, I do pluck them, but not all the time. It's normally here. Okay, so for toner, I use the Ordinary Glycolic Acid Toning Solution. I really like this one. It's really nice. But there's I only use this one at night. I don't use it in the morning, but I still really like this one. And to apply it, I actually use also, again, a brush. This is the All Over treatment brush from Anissa Beauty. I absolutely love it. It has like a little silicone thing in the middle. Yeah, I really like this one. One of my faves from Anissa Beauty. I'm probably not even gonna say it. But this is the Ordinary serum. It's zinc and I have no idea. I keep this in the fridge just so it can be a very cooling on my skin. I really like that. So I actually don't use a brush to apply it, but I kind of just do a couple of drops on my forehead and I use the angled care brush from Anissa Beauty, and I just kind of massage it into my skin like that. Okay, so when it comes to moisturizer, I'm gonna find, I actually wanted to get the Ordinary moisturizer, but I'm still using this one. This is the Bosica Chia Seed Moisturizing Cream, and to apply it, I use the Anissa Beauty All Over Care brush. So now it's time for like a face massage. Now I don't have them with me, but I keep them in the freezer. I use 2 spoons, and I found a video, and like I don't really know how to massage my face, so I do it with I massage my face along with the video. So I just use 2 kind of cold spoons, and I actually have to have a towel, hold them with a towel at first because it's kind of cold. So I just do that until I can actually hold it. A new thing that I've never tried before, I really like it. This is the Milk Makeup Cooling Water Eye Cream. I absolutely love this. This is amazing. Like I said, this is my first ever Milk product that I have. And so far, I actually really like it. I'm someone who isn't really good at doing or curling my hair. So what I like to do is I actually like to do this kind of like French rope braid thing. So right after I get out of the shower, I kind of towel dry my hair. I do kind of put it up in the towel and wait maybe a couple of minutes, maybe 5 minutes, and then take it out, and then my hair is maybe 90% dry, and then I put it in the two rope braids, French rope braids, and then I sleep knit. And in the morning it really gives a nice kind of like beachy wave, and sometimes after I actually wear that hairstyle at the beach, and then after the beach when we're all done, I like to kind of take the braids out, and it really gives that nice beachy wave effect. Okay, so that was the night routine. Now, then part 2 will be the morning routine. See you guys in the morning routine. Bye!